Alrighty guys, I thought I'd do a video show you guys how to manually remove a tire from a rim. So you want to go to Harbor Freight and get you a couple of these tire bars, 24-inch long tire bars. They're pretty cheap. And I cheated. I went ahead and broke the bead from the machine at work because I tried to do the jack thing where you put the jack on there and put it under your bumper on your truck and jack it up, and it's supposed to push that down to break that bead, and that did not work. It just jacks the truck up. It don't break the bead on me. So I cheated. I used a tire machine. Also got one of these little pumps here from Harbor Freight. It's got soapy water inside of it. We'll just spray around here, get that good and slicked up. Like that. Then take one of our tire bars here. You got two ends on it. You got a curvy end right here and kind of a pointy slanted end right here. I'm going to take that pointy slanted end, I'm going to put it right in here and push down on the back here, and then pop that lip up over the rim right there like that. And just follow along, get you another one over here. Get a bite. And just kind of pop her up over. Right like that. Take this one out because you did freed it up now. And just keep working your way around the tire. That puppy was really stuck, you know what I mean? So anyway, once you get it popped up, once you get her popped up like that, you take your bars out. Now it should come up. There we go. Alright, now I'll take it, put it like this, right there. Now we'll be able to pop it off that side. This is kind of a tricky part too. So you want to pull it out, take one of your pry bars here, still staying with this end right here, that kind of curvy end, not the real curvy end, but the slanted end. We'll put it in facing down there and get it up in there. And then here's the tricky part, you want to roll it over. There you go, roll it right over. So that's facing down like that. Then you can pull the whole shebang back out like that. And what we're going to do is work it right around here and right around here and pop that dude out. Hopefully. Oh, there she started. Get you that bar in there. These bars are cheap. I didn't bent this one, but it's alright. Here she comes. Yeah, she's coming on out. And just work your way on around here, and then just pull it out. This one was pretty easy right here. Once you get it right here, just kind of jiggle it a little bit. There it is. It comes right out. See that? There you go. Didn't have to pay nobody to do it or nothing.